Friends, everyone likes to capture pictures on mobile camera, but have you ever thought to make your mobile camera a CCTV? I think the answer is no, because you might have thought that the task is quite difficult, but the task is quite easier and also very much interesting. So hey guys, this is Priyo from Channel Electronic Studio, and if you are a new viewer, watch the video till the end, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell icon for all latest updates, and like and share it with your friends if you really like it. So let's start.
Zombie apocalypse.
For this project you should need two mobile phones. I don't have extra mobile phone because one I have used for shooting the video, so I am using the PC or laptop. Okay, so the function will be the same. At first, in one mobile, go to the Play Store, and search here IP Webcam. You can see this app. You have to install this app. I have already installed it. Before this, make sure that your Wi-Fi hotspot is on and is connected to the another mobile which will be used for surveillance. Okay, now open the IP Webcam. Here there will be many options. Go to the video preferences. From here you can also change the video orientation to portrait or landscape as you wish. Okay, and after the settings, just go to the lower part of the app and start server. A IP address will be provided to you, which is http://192.168.43.27:8080. Now what you have to do, go to the Google Chrome on your mobile, or if you are using laptop for surveillance, then on your laptop go to Chrome, and here you have to write your IP address, which is this. You can see here http, the same IP address I have already inputted here, so it's there. So now press enter. From here, from the option video renderer, you have to select browser, and now you can see that your video streaming has started. Working perfectly. As we go down here, you can see here is the option for front camera. You can also use the front camera of your CCTV. In the downward part there are many options such as the zoom in and out. If you increase the zoom, then you can see the picture will become zoom in. Okay, and if you slowly zoom out, then you can see it will become normal as before. Here we can change the X and Y ratio of the video. Okay, let it be in the normal mode. From here you can adjust the stream quality to the lowest. You can see the stream quality has become lowest and to the highest. Okay, the stream quality will increase from here. From here you can light on the LED flashlight. You can see the LED flashlight has become on. Okay, you can see here. Similarly, from this device through which you are surveying the video, you can light up the LED flashlight. Here is the mode for night vision. If you want to see in the dark, then you can choose this option, otherwise leave it. Here is the option for recording, recorder control. Okay, just click on this record manual and your recording will be started. If you want to stop your recording, click stop and your recording will be stored to your device. If you want to take photos of your streaming, just click take photo and see one photo will be clicked by your CCTV. It's much useful for your home CCTV. So friends, thanks a lot for watching my video till the end. If you like it, give a thumbs up, share more and more with your friends. I will be right back in the next video. So till then, have a nice time.